Already downloaded Adobe Acrobat Reader, but not sure how to install it? In this tutorial, I'll show you the complete installation process on Windows, including the installer setup, first launch, and a few quick tips to make sure everything works correctly. Let's get started. First, find the Adobe Acrobat Reader installer you downloaded. It's usually located in your Downloads folder, unless you saved it somewhere else. Double-click the installer to begin the setup. If Windows displays a user account control message asking whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. Yeah, this gives the installer permission to continue. Adobe Acrobat Reader will now download any required files and install them automatically. Depending on your internet connection and computer speed, this could take a few moments. During this time, keep the installer open until the process finishes. Once the installation reaches 100%, you'll see a confirmation that the setup is complete. So select Finish, Launch, or Open, depending on the version you're installing. Now open Adobe Acrobat Reader from your desktop shortcut or the Start menu. On the first launch, you may see a welcome screen or a sign-in option. Signing in is optional for basic PDF viewing. Finally, open any PDF document to make sure everything is working properly. If the file opens without any errors, your installation was successful, and Adobe Acrobat Reader is ready to use. And that's it, you've successfully installed Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. I hope this guide made the process quick and easy. If it helped, leave a like, subscribe for more software tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.